Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to merge or duplicate contacts on your phone in just one tap without installing any app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is head over to your phone settings. Here. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you click on Google. The next thing you need to do is to click on your Google account. Then proceed to your Google account. The next thing you need to do is to swipe this way and proceed to people and sharing. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you click on contacts. The next thing you need to do is to click on the three slider right here. Then click on merge and fix. Then click on merge duplicate. Then simply click on merge all right here. Then you have it on a single contact. You can do it for as many as possible contact duplicates you have on your phone. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.